In the last hour, Dane County Court decided Robert F. Kennedy Jr. must stay on Wisconsin's ballots this November, citing state law that candidates who qualify must appear on the ballot unless they die.
Under the circumstances presented here, it would be unfair both to Wisconsin voters and to the other candidates on the general election ballot to interfere in an election that, for all intents and purposes, has already begun.
The decision came after RFK Jr. sued the Wisconsin Elections Commission for keeping his name on the ballot after he dropped out of the race and asked to be removed.